Attention homeowners! Do you currently have a 15 or 30-year mortgage? Most Americans choose the standard 15 or 30-year mortgage to pay off their homes because it's the way things have always been done. The problem is, it takes the next 15 to 30 years to actually pay them off. What if I told you that you could pay off your home in just 5 to 7 years? Replace Your Mortgage can teach you how to pay off your home in as little as 5 to 7 years by using your current income. Just imagine if your credit score is 660 or higher, have 10% equity or down payment, and if you make more money than you spend monthly. Replace Your Mortgage can put you on the road to paying off your 15 or 30-year mortgage in just 5 to 7 years, starting at just $140 per month. Schedule a free discovery call today to learn more. Just visit payoffyourhouserym.com. Replace your mortgage. It's not magic, it's just math.